This is the TaskWork AI Instagram chatbot system. Simply click on it to explore its features and functions. Here, you can access the chatbot's settings and configuration options. You can customize the Instagram greeting or welcome message by clicking here. You can also select the AI's tone from this drop-down menu. Define the goals you want the chatbot to achieve, add your frequently asked questions, and upload your business documents, FAQs, or other relevant content for the AI to learn from. You can also add your lead qualification questions here, allowing the chatbot to collect valuable customer information during conversations. Below, you can see all your conversations and customer interactions. Every conversation, lead, and customer detail is automatically organized and stored in this database. You can view the information in gallery, table, or chart view, depending on your preference. This makes it easy to manage customer interactions and track leads efficiently. Now, let's test the chatbot and see how it performs. I will be sending messages from a different Instagram account so we can see how the chatbot responds in real time. Let's start with a simple message, "Hello." We'll wait a few seconds for the response. As you can see, the chatbot replies according to the instructions and behavior settings that were configured for it. Now, let's continue the conversation and ask a few more questions to evaluate the chatbot's performance. Let's type, "Great, thanks. What services do you offer?" We'll send the message and wait for the response. And here is the reply. As you can see, the AI responds naturally and professionally. Now, let's ask another question. What's the pricing for your social media chatbots, and how can I locate your office? We'll wait for its response. As you can see, the chatbot is communicating exactly as instructed, while also engaging the customer and asking relevant follow-up questions. Perfect. Let's continue the conversation. "I just want a single chatbot for my Instagram. What's your starter plan?" Let's see how the chatbot responds. Once again, it responds according to its instructions and conversational guidelines. Now let's ask, how much does it cost? And here is the response. You'll notice that the AI has been specifically instructed not to provide pricing information directly. Instead, it is designed to engage the customer, answer their questions, and guide them towards scheduling a consultation or booking. So let's go ahead and request a booking. As you can see, the chatbot immediately provides the business booking link, allowing the customer to schedule an appointment with your business. Now, let's end the conversation. As you've seen, anyone can interact with the chatbot, and the chatbot is fully equipped to gather customer information and lead details throughout the conversation. It can also send booking links, payment links, and other business resources automatically on your behalf. This is how the TaskWork AI Instagram chatbot can operate as a virtual assistant for your business, helping you engage customers, qualify leads, and automate repetitive communication tasks. If you would like us to create a behind-the-scenes tutorial showing how we built the back-end workflow, automation process, and database structure, be sure to subscribe to the channel. If we receive enough requests, we will create a detailed tutorial covering the Make.com automation workflow and the Notion database setup used to power this system. Thank you for watching.